Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone on Cash App. I'm going to show you two methods. For the first method, load up the Cash App application. Then use the search bar by clicking on the magnifying glass. Search for the person's cash tag. Once you find their profile, click on it and you'll see a block button. Simply click the block button and it will show you a message stating that this action will cancel all pending transactions and block the person from sending or requesting money from you. If that sounds good, click block and the person will be blocked. Now for the second method, let's say they've made a transaction request. You can go to your pending requests or history and click on the request itself. Then select the person's profile by clicking on their profile icon. From there, click on the three dots and you'll see the option to block the person. That's how you do it. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well. Thanks for watching.